Chomi zami ezingenayile chomi zami edala ibusuku chomi zami evasa ngamanzi aqilini yeze zophathi into ezingavasi ngebhengora yazi xa ndimoshile. I'm one person who likes taking accountability for their actions. Guys, I feel like ndigezile last week Thursday and I stand to be corrected, but at the same time ndiyazithethela because ndaseka that was my personal opinion. It was coming from a good place. Ayibacaba bengixeka andingomntu uxekayo because I know how it feels uxekwa. I would never bandixeke omnye umntu. Story time was essay and I stand to be corrected. Guys, fine. So last week Thursday I got invited at the Burbs. Uyabo by a friend of mine. Uyafumaniseka someone I was really close to. Uyabo. So we haven't linked up in a while. Uyabo. So last week Thursday before I went to go and do my hair, uthi my man girl, ndikubona ku Facebook. Uyeva, ndiyacinga uba inamba yakho andinayo. Uyabo mind she's sending me a DMP ku Facebook. Uyabo ba, hayi man nditry na inamba yakho, chomi let's link up, come to my place. Uyabo. Because sahlala somewhere else, now I moved out, I stay somewhere else. Mind you, mna ndazikhaya lakhe lokuqala andlazi eli lesibini ngoku. Uyabo, qomfana bam ndasekhaya, who am I to decline such an offer to go to the Burbs? I will be there, say less when I'm fafter. Just send me the location and I will be there. Uzabona ngam wena in the flesh. Uyafumaniseka, all right, fine, fika xesha ndilelisa isithulu. Uyeva, request to Uber to this location I'm sent. Uyafumaniseka, all right, cool, fine, xa ndifika shemugeli, meet her, you know, hug, we take content, kube mnandi. Uyebo, athi she wants to show me a place apha kwi-Burbs. Uyeva, indawo ke shemekubraywa kuyo kumnandi, people meet there, people socialize there. Uyebo, all right, cool, fine, sharp, sifike kule ndawo, guys, very close by. So requested Uber, no time it was 18 rands to go there from Clegg. Mind you, it's in the same estate. We have Mansaka, all right, cool, you find shops if you can. Ube mnandi kubraywe inyama ndasekaya isha izigagamfu elahleni ibok uyeva beef force ava kube lekker man kube cute kube demure uyabo athi chomi I have a friend of mine, she loves you so much, she watches your content like crazy uyabo, so how about we invited to come over uyeva I find sharp afika ugeni masimnikeni igama sawuthi ngibani sathi nguCinderella uyeva fine afika uCinderella shema bena isinyana uCinderella, we take videos no Cinderella, we take pictures no Cinderella kube cute kube very bayamoyilek uyabo fine. I did not want to leave late because it's during the week and I had work on Friday. So fine, around 5 p.m. Aman guys, I think we should walk to Loan invite so I can request from there. We have Mansaka because I left my bag there. We have Mansaka, all right, cool, you're fine. So it happens, but Cinderella wants to come with us, ne? But she stays close by and we have also Cinderella, I don't phone and then so a piece of Loan invite. We have guys, we're walking down Cinderella Street. We are walking down Cinderella Street. This was my personal opinion. We have zinhle sheme izindlu zakhona ninga ndiva wrong. Very beautiful. Zimansion. Uyabona? So ndibone le ndlu ngathi kuse Department of Home Affairs. I comment ba you understand inhle yona indlu ne, but understand it's giving Department of Home Affairs okanye Department of Roadworks. Uyabo man angikhweca uchomi ba chomi andimhlala ukhanye okokuqala because andiyazi naba phakulandlu kokulo Cinderella apho siya khona uyeva nako ndiyiphinda bahamba sekaya kokulendlu ingathi kuse Department of Home Affairs kanye kuse Department of Roadworks intontana was the Little Gama was the idea gotten from Department of something. We have happened and quite to kill Bachomi. We haven't determined the sky and 13 yan. Sabon Ville Coco this time around, but Chemurko higher Huense ing. Since Wavelewa solo was still to engine Jumlom. Ukuza. Avandati no, Chomi, the house is gorgeous. We have but it's giving. If Facebook Yakona is giving. Department of Home Affairs. Department of Roadworks ndithini ke mna ke sisindithi kuni thoma ngangeni bakaloko kwabo mna ndithi kuse Department of Roadworks khange nditsho khandithe the idea is giving Department of Roadworks so ndiqunjelo and I take accountability wrong but khandiyazi bakoko kwabo pha hamdasike kona ngokwaba ngathi kuse head office of kuhle ninganiva wrong andixeke kuhle oba kuhle okuphathi it's giving head office of some sort hayibo so ngoku I owe someone a date because she's mad at me guys xa niklikhe niklale ngilapha kwibhayo zanenzela ivideo bakudraw kanjani ku-Sweatcoin xa niklikhe nilingle lapha kwibhayo nizokwazi ukhupha umntana abantu yocela amaqela ama-100 pha kuyi nto le ndikuyo wow.